to pair a Samsung buds into your Samsung Z Fold 8, first of all, start by opening System Settings, go for Connections, and make sure that you are gonna turn on Bluetooth by using this switcher. If it is grayed out, make sure that you are not gonna use the airplane mode. Now, we have to grab our earbuds, make sure to charge them so you will be able to enter for the pairing mode. In the most cases, you will have to place both earbuds inside the charging case, open this cover, and click and hold the pairing button. The pairing button you have to actually click and hold until the indicator on your device starts blinking. In this case, I've got the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro and they are blinking in the 3 different colors. Now we have to put it back and we can already find this pop-up notification, so we can click connect. But what if you cannot actually find it? Well, you can actually go for these connections one more time and click to scan for nearby devices. As you can see right now, you can easily tap on it and accept the pairing request. Now, when you are connected, you will have to accept some user's agreement. Click more, click agree, and now just get access for this Galaxy Buds Manager. We are all set, and when you click on this icon on the right side, we can actually find features of this device, like the active noise cancellation, ambient sound, and some other features.